Hi everybody, and welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw an airplane character. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start on this side of the paper and we're going to draw the tail of the plane. So we're going to draw a little line like that, and then down and curve around and stop. I'm going to pause right there and come back on this side, come down and curve around and stop. Okay, we're going to come back out a little bit, but we're going to leave some space for a wing that we're going to draw. So don't go all the way across yet. So come out and stop right about there. Okay, this next line that we're going to do, we're going to go all the way across to the head of the plane. And you go out, getting a little bit bigger. There we go. And then back around and up like that. Perfect. Let's add a wing here first before we close off that shape. So we'll do a straight line kind of in the center of the plane. One coming back, another one coming back, and then we're going to close off that shape like that. Perfect. Then a wing coming off the back of the plane like this, and then close off that shape. Now we can close our plane shape. Like that. Perfect. Coming back to the back of the plane, let's add another little wing right here, and one coming off the back. It's looking great. Maybe a couple circles for the windows of the plane. And now the face. Let's do a big circle right there. A big circle right there. A couple lines underneath the eyes, and then some eyebrows. Fill in the pupils of the eyes. And now we're going to move on to the mouth. We're going to start back here and do a big smiley face on that plane. A couple round teeth. A line back here to make the mouth open. And then a line right there for a tongue, and we'll fill in this black. We'll add a line right there under the mouth and maybe just a couple more pulling back on that mouth. Let's add a couple squiggly lines for hairs, and then a few details to finish off our plane. A few circles and lines for texture. And there we have an airplane character. Yeah! You did a really good job following along with me today. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters. Bye!
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!